Okay? Next, itong random. Yan, random button. So, shift rand. I think nagbibigay siya ng random decimals. Yan, random decimals na less than 1. So, 835, 912, 305. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo syempre na random numbers from 1 to 100, lagay nyo lang 100. So, yan. 28.6, 31.1, 30.8. Yan. Next is itong IRAND. Yan, IRAND would give you a random number from within that range. So, kung gusto nyo ng random numbers from 0 to 100, yan, 0, 100. Yan yung ibibigay niya. And I think inclusive siya. Tama ba? Let's see Random number from 1 to 3. 1. Yan, inclusive siya. So, ito yung lower bound, upper bound, inclusive. Next button is ito, EXP or exponent. Now, this is just a shortcut for typing times 10 raised to something. So, for example, gusto nyo makapag-type ng 6 million. Ang pinakamabilis na paraan to do that would be 6 times 10 to the 6 to get 6 million. Next, we have yung constant pi at yung constant e. Na para tawagin yung pi, just press shift pi. And then para tawagin yung e, alpha e. Okay? Next, itong answer. Yan, very important din na button sa calculator natin. Anong ginagawa ng answer? It gives you yung kaka-compute nyo lang before. Okay? So, for example, meron tayong kinompute na 9 cosine 30. Yan. Tapos, gusto nyo gamitin siya agad directly after. Diba? Huwag kayo mag-type ng 9 square root of 3 over 2. Yan. Huwag ganun. Okay? Kasi matagal yan eh. Ang gawin nyo is, after nyong i-press yung equal sa 9 cosine 30, press answer na. Para isang button na lang. Diba? Hindi nyo na kailangan i-type yung complicated answer na yun. Yung answer na agad. So, answer plus 6. Yan. Para makapag-operate kayo agad directly after ng previous computation nyo. So, sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.